Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lie down in Heartopia game. Okay, this is how the pose looks like, and if you want to lie down in the game, you need to have the lie down action or pose. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is the action. You can lie down by this action, guys. And if you want to unlock this action, you need to go to Annie and you're going to open her store, her friendship store. Okay, Annie is here at the central square. Okay, and I'm going to talk to her to open her store. Okay, select store and select the friendship store. And you can purchase the lay down action or pose, the lie down pose right here. And after you have this pose, you will be able to lie down. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the lie down pose in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.